Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Encryption. Encryption is the process of converting plaintext or readable data into an unreadable form called ciphertext. It is used to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access, interception, or tampering. Encryption ensures that even if the ciphertext is intercepted, it cannot be understood without the proper decryption key. In this lesson we'll learn about 1. The purposes of encryption used on data at rest. 2. The purposes of encryption used on data in transit. Encryption of data at rest. Encryption of data at rest refers to the process of encrypting stored data to protect it from unauthorized access. When data is at rest, it means that it is not actively being transmitted or processed but is stored in a storage medium like hard drives, databases, or backup tapes. Encrypting data at rest provides an additional layer of security, ensuring that even if the storage medium is compromised or stolen, the data remains unreadable without the proper decryption key. Here are key aspects of encrypting data at rest. 1. Encryption algorithms. Encryption algorithms such as AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, are commonly used for data at rest. Encryption. These algorithms convert the plaintext data into ciphertext using a secret encryption key. 2. Full disk encryption. Full disk encryption, FDE, encrypts an entire storage device, such as a hard drive or solid-state drive, SSD. All data stored on the device is automatically encrypted and decrypted on the fly when accessed by authorized users or applications. This provides comprehensive protection for the entire disk and all its contents. 3. File-level encryption. File-level encryption encrypts individual files or specific subsets of data rather than encrypting the entire storage device. Each file is encrypted using its unique encryption key, allowing for more granular control over which files are protected. File-level encryption is often used when selective encryption is required or when integrating encryption with specific applications. 4. Key management. Proper key management is crucial for data at rest encryption. This includes generating strong encryption keys, securely storing and managing the keys, and establishing appropriate access controls and permissions. Key rotation and revocation procedures should also be implemented to ensure ongoing security. 5. Access controls. In addition to encryption, it is important to implement proper access controls and authentication mechanisms to limit access to the encrypted data. This includes user authentication, authorization, and role-based access controls, RBAC, to ensure that only authorized individuals or processes can decrypt and access the data. 6. Secure key storage. The encryption keys used for data at rest encryption should be securely stored to prevent unauthorized access. Hardware security modules, HSMs, or secure key management systems can be used to protect and manage encryption keys. These systems provide additional layers of security and prevent unauthorized key access or tampering. 7. Regular security updates. It is crucial to keep the encryption software and systems up to date with the latest security patches and updates. This helps to address any vulnerabilities or weaknesses that may be discovered in the encryption algorithms or key management processes. Encrypting data at rest helps to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of sensitive information, mitigating the risk of data breaches, theft, or unauthorized access. It is especially important for sensitive data such as personally identifiable information, PII, financial records, intellectual property, and any other information that could cause harm if accessed by unauthorized parties. Encryption of data in transit. Encryption of data in transit, also known as data in motion, involves securing data while it is being transmitted between systems, networks, or devices. The goal is to protect the confidentiality and integrity of the data, preventing unauthorized access or tampering. During transmission. Here are key aspects of encrypting data in transit. 1. Transport Layer Security, TLS. TLS is a cryptographic protocol that provides secure communication over a network. It encrypts the data exchanged between client and server, ensuring confidentiality. TLS also provides authentication to verify the identity of the server and, optionally, the client. HTTPS, HTTP Secure, is an example of TLS secured communication used in web browsing. 2. Secure Sockets Layer, SSL. SSL is an older cryptographic protocol that has largely been replaced by TLS. SSL and TLS protocols operate at the transport layer of the network stack and provide similar functionality in terms of encryption and authentication. 3. Certificate-based encryption. In data in transit encryption, digital certificates are often used to establish trust and enable secure communication. Certificates are issued by trusted certificate authorities, CAs, and contain the public key of the certificate holder. The certificate ensures that the communication is encrypted with the intended recipient and verifies the authenticity of the recipient's identity. 4. VPN, Virtual Private Network. VPNs create an encrypted tunnel between the user's device and the network, allowing secure data transmission over public networks. VPNs are commonly used for remote access to private networks or to establish secure connections between geographically separated networks. 6. Email encryption. Email encryption methods such as Pretty Good Privacy, PGP, or secure/multipurpose internet mail extensions S/MIME encrypt the content of email messages, attachments, and metadata to protect the privacy and integrity of email communications. 7. Secure protocols. Various protocols have built-in encryption mechanisms to secure data transmission. Examples include Secure File Transfer Protocol, FTPS, Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTPS, Secure Real-Time Transport Protocol, SRTP, and Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions S/MIME. Encrypting data in transit helps prevent eavesdropping, data interception, and tampering. It is particularly important when sensitive information is transmitted over public networks or when communicating with remote systems. Implementing strong encryption protocols, using valid digital certificates, and regularly updating cryptographic libraries and protocols are essential to maintaining the security of data in transit.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.